Imagine building a six-figure Shopify store in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. No coding, no design, no stress. Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how I took one AliExpress product, pasted the link, and in just a few clicks, created a ready-to-sell Shopify store that's already helping generate over $5 million in sales. Building a Shopify store used to take days, sometimes weeks. You'd spend hours picking themes, writing product descriptions, finding images, setting up pages. It was exhausting. But in 2025, everything has changed. Thanks to AI-powered tools, you can now launch a beautiful, fully functional online store faster than ever. And I'm not talking about some janky template-looking site. I'm talking about professional stores with optimized product pages, real customer reviews, SEO-ready copy, and conversion-focused layouts, all done automatically. But then why should you use AI to build your Shopify store? Well, 3 reasons: speed, quality, and automation. Instead of manually configuring themes, importing products one by one, and writing copy, AI handles everything. You get a ready-to-sell storefront with professional branding in literally minutes. Plus, you can test new business ideas without getting bogged down by technical setup. Now, let me walk you through the exact process I use. Step 1. Choosing your AI store builder. First things first, you need to pick your weapon. The 2 most popular AI-powered options right now are Shopify's native AI store builder and third-party apps like Atlas AI, Storebuild.ai, and AutoDS AI. Shopify's built-in tool is the fastest. You just describe your business idea in plain language and boom, it generates your entire storefront. Homepage, navigation, product listings, everything. It's seamless and perfect if you want zero friction. But if you're dropshipping or want more control over your niche, third-party apps like Atlas AI are where it's at. Atlas AI, for example, doesn't just build your store, it imports products, generates AI-optimized descriptions, creates product bundles, and even generates high-quality product photos. This is the tool that's generated over $5 million in sales. For this tutorial, I'm using Atlas AI as it offers the best bang for your buck. Step 2. Signing up and launching your store. Okay, step 2 is super simple. Head over to Shopify and sign up for an account. Once you're signed up, grab the second link in the description. That's your Atlas AI Store Builder app. Click Build My Free Store and it'll redirect you back to Shopify. Installing the app is literally 2 clicks. Hit install, confirm, and you're good to go. Now, once Atlas is installed, it'll show up in your apps section. Open it up and we're ready to start generating your store. Step 3, describing your niche and brand. Here's where the magic starts. Atlas is gonna ask you to choose a product source. You can pull from AliExpress, Amazon, Alibaba, or even existing Shopify products if you're using platforms like CJ Dropshipping or Zendrop. If I have found some super cool cloud slides on AliExpress, all I have to do is copy the product link, paste it into Atlas, and click Generate Store. That's it. The AI is now building an entire store layout tailored to my product. It's importing product images, writing SEO optimized descriptions, creating a homepage with branded copy, setting up navigation, adding customer reviews, and even configuring policy pages and checkout settings. This takes about 1 minute. Now, you might be wondering, if the AI is pulling product photos from AliExpress or wherever you sourced your product, won't those images look cheap and generic? Aren't low-quality product photos one of the biggest reasons customers don't trust a store and bounce before buying? How do you make your store look professional and high-converting if you are stuck with the same photos everyone else is using? Well, here's the game changer. Atlas AI has a built-in AI product photo generator. You don't have to stick with those generic AliExpress images. Instead, you can train an AI model on your product and generate completely custom, high-quality product photos that look like they came from a professional studio shoot. Here's how it works. You upload 5 to 8 training photos of your product with different angles, no text, clean backgrounds. The AI learns what your product looks like. Then you give it a detailed prompt describing the environment, lighting, background, and vibe you want. Click generate and boom, you get studio quality images in minutes. I'm talking about photos that look like they belong on a luxury brand's website. This alone can dramatically increase your conversion rate because customers trust stores that look professional. And the best part? You can generate unlimited variations until you get exactly what you want. So yeah, no more worrying about crappy product photos. AI's got you covered. Step 4. Auto-importing and optimizing products. Alright, back to the process. Once your store is generated, Atlas will auto-import your product with all the details like title, price, images, descriptions, everything. If you're dropshipping, it can even preload 5 to 10 trending products for your niche. But here's what sets Atlas apart from other AI builders I've tested: attention to detail. The product descriptions aren't just generic fluff, they're customized to your actual product. For example, if you're selling cloud slides, the AI will mention the material, comfort, and durability in the reviews. It feels handmade, not robotic. You also get automatic product collections, category pages, and even features like arrives by dates and discount badges. These little details are what separate a store that converts from one that doesn't. Step 5. Fine-tuning your store's design. Now your store is live and functional, but you'll want to add a few personal touches before you start driving traffic. On the left-hand side of Atlas, you can customize everything. Change your brand colors, upload a logo, tweak your product title, adjust pricing, configure customer reviews, and edit your FAQ section. You can even customize your homepage content. For example, I like to go into the color tab and dial in my brand's aesthetic. Then I'll tweak the product's title to make it punchier and adjust the pricing to include a discount. Once you're happy with your customizations, hit continue. Choose your plan. I recommend the Pro plan because it unlocks the AI product photo tool and the bundler, which we'll talk about in a second, and then publish your store. Just like that, your store is live. But here's something that's been bugging me, and I bet it's crossed your mind too. If AI can build a store this fast, doesn't that mean everyone and their grandma is gonna have the same exact store? If thousands of people are using the same tool, importing the same products, and generating similar layouts, how do you stand out? Okay, here's the truth. Yes, AI can build the foundation of your store, but your store's success comes down to 3 things: branding, marketing, and iteration. First, branding. Even though Atlas generates your store, you still have full control over your colors, logo, messaging, and overall vibe. That's where your personality comes in. You can customize your homepage copy, write a unique About Us section, and create a brand story that resonates with your audience. That's not something AI can replicate. Second, marketing. A store is just a tool. What matters is how you drive traffic to it. Your Facebook ads, TikTok strategy, influencer partnerships, email campaigns, that's where the real magic happens. 2 people can have the same AI-generated store, but the one with better marketing wins every time. And third, iteration. The beauty of AI is that it lets you test ideas fast. You can launch a store in 5 minutes, run ads for a week, see what converts, and then tweak your product, your copy, your photos, whatever needs adjusting. You're not locked into anything. You can pivot and optimize way faster than someone who spent weeks building a store manually. So, to answer your question, yes, the foundation might be the same, but what you build on top of it, that's all you. And that's what separates the winners from the people who just clone and hope. All right, now here's the twist. You've got a great looking store, professional product photos, and everything is optimized. But if you stop here, you're leaving money on the table. So the secret to maximizing profits? Product bundles. Most people sell 1 product at a time, but what if you could get customers to buy 2 or 3 in a single order without increasing your shipping costs? That's where Atlas's bundle deals feature comes in. Here's how it works. You create a bundle offer that gives customers a discount when they buy multiple units. For example, buy 1 at full price, buy 2 and get 10% off, buy 3 and get 20% off. This is a psychological hack. Customers see the discount and think, oh, I'm saving money if I buy more. But you're actually increasing your average order value, which means more profit per customer. Setting this up in Atlas is stupid easy. Click Bundle Deals, create a new bundle, configure your discount tiers, and publish. Then add the bundle widget to your product page, and you're done. This one feature alone can take your store from break-even to highly profitable. Bonus tip! Now, one last thing before we wrap up. What if you want to sell multiple products in the same store? Easy. Go back to Atlas, click Product Pages, select your existing theme, and generate a new product page. You can import a completely different product and Atlas will build a custom page for it within your store. This makes it super easy to scale. You can test multiple products, see what sells, and double down on the winners, all within the same branded storefront. And that's it! You now have a fully functional, professionally designed Shopify store that's ready to take orders. What used to take hours or even days? You just did it in 5 minutes. So what product are you going to build your store around? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.